How to rate translation on Google Translate. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can rate translation on Google Translate. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your device and then launch the Google Translate application on your mobile device. So after opening up your Google Translate, you can see the Google Translate on page. You can see the option enter text and all of that. So the next will be to type out the text that you want to rate. Okay, so in this case, I'll just type, for example, I love you, and then you can see the translation just below the actual text. So on the translation, you can see three icons, right? The first icon here is the speaker icon. Then you can see the copy icon and the rate icon by the right side. So to rate this particular translation, just click on the rate icon, and then you can see rate this translation. Do you want to give it a thumbs up or a thumb down? Then if you feel the translation deserves a thumbs up, click on the thumbs up, and then just like that, the translation will be rated. All right, that's just it, as simple as that. And then if you want to give it a thumbs down, you can select a thumbs down instead. This is how you can rate a translation on Google Translate. Thanks for watching and have a good day.